Awesome, man. And you can, oh, smoke it. I want some smoke into that. Smoked omelette. Hello and welcome to Drive Eat Repeat. My name is Uday. Let's begin this day with a nice cup of coffee. For those of you who are visiting my channel for the first time, what I do is I make travel videos, I make food, automobile, and event related videos. Please do check out the other videos of my channel on my channel page. Today, I'm going to take you to a beautiful breakfast place. It's not a restaurant, it's not a breakfast place as in where they sell breakfast, but it's a beautiful lake. It is a very popular lake here in Hyderabad, and there is a nice spot which me and my brother usually hang out at. So I am going to take you to that place where we make breakfast and have it there by the lake. All set, packed, and ready. Let's go now. And this is the box that contains everything that is needed for our breakfast, and that's where my brother is setting up the fire. He already lit up the fire and he was just waiting for me. He came a little early. We love this place. I think we came to this place for the first time when we were in 5th or 6th standard. I was in 5th or 6th standard, and Ajay, I think he was in kindergarten. We came here very often for a few years after that, but again for educational purposes, and then as we got into jobs, we were in various cities and everything, so we couldn't come here as often as we used to do. But whenever we find some time, we do come here. Ajay is making things ready, as you can see. So what are we making, Ajay?
Black coffee, toast bread, and some sunny side ups and some grilled tomato.
I really needed some energy to get here, so I had my coffee. Let's just explore this place a little bit. Pan is all hot and ready. Time to break an egg and make an omelette. That's some salt and pepper. Smoke it. I want some smoke into that. I'll push some smoke into the omelette. Smoked omelette. Look at that nice crust on that.
This is a white sesame oil, good for breakfast.
Mm-hmm. Slight drizzle. I don't know if I like the sesame oil though.
You'll love it.
All ready. Let's take a bite. Breakfast by the lake. Some more toasts are getting ready. You broke it with your knuckle?
Yeah, you can do that.
While this is getting ready, let's eat what is already ready. Chef Ajay, you're done with your one? The sunny side up is getting ready. So we're going to cut the sunny side up in two halves, right?
Or else you can have that. I'll make another one.
No, no, I'll have just one egg. I already had another egg. Two eggs will do for me. And you can, oh, look at that oozing out. I'll take a bite of this. Mmm. Oh, that hot. This is awesome. Mmm. Mm. Sesame oil is good.
I told you.
Mm. It flavored the bread loaves, and it also gave a nice, the sesame hint to the sunny side up.
The bread doesn't look colored,
Mm.
but it's damn properly toasted.
Mm. There is a really nice crunch to this bread. Look at this.
I'm enjoying it.
I'm loving it. You should definitely try something like this. Sitting by the nature, relaxing, find a place, go there and have fun. This world needs happiness. This world needs kindness. This world needs joy. We're just waiting for the tomatoes to be grilled perfectly. Ajay, if we have a sheet kind of a thing, we can put it directly on the fire, na?
But this will give more flavor rather than, because this is a watery thing.
Hmm.
There's like a fruit and a vegetable.
Okay. So how many eggs have we had till now?
Kind of half a dozen.
These two will make them a half a dozen.
Mm.
Oh man, look at that crust on that bread. Cook it a little bit more and then put it on the toast. And make the toast more crunchy. More crunch. Chef, more crunch.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Lift it up from the other side. Okay, that went well.
There goes yours.
Hmm.
Oozing out as you like it.
Yeah. Cover it
See?
up with another toast.
I'm holding it down.
Okay.
There goes the one, but it's gonna bust out once you're gonna hold it tight together.
Okay, that's gonna be super hot and I'm not. Okay, you have that one, I'll have the next one.
You see this guy?
Yeah, now that's on your beard. I'm gonna turn the camera over. That's awesome, man. That's how Chef Ajay likes his eggs. Even I like the yolk oozing out. This is our camping box actually, wherever we go to cook outdoors or when we go on a long drive, like the one where we went to Kumrambi Masifabad. Even there we used the same styrofoam box to carry all our utensils and cooking ingredients and everything. So there is a long relationship that's going on with this styrofoam box. Let me try my hand at a sunny side up.
Put some oil first.
Okay.
But you're forgetting cooking now.
I'm not forgetting cooking. I just
You
wanted
promised you were gonna learn.
I'm learning. I was gonna make it oil free,
Oh. And there goes
Okay.
the egg.
And don't bring the camera too close because that's an action camera and it doesn't focus if you bring it too close. Turn this toast over. It's nice and crunchy, but it's not getting the
Color.
color.
Come on, put some salt and pepper, turn it over, and then pick it off.
Okay. I
Here
think
goes
we
the
need
salt
some
and
more
pepper.
heat because it's not bubbling yet. This is the Himalayan pink salt or a normal salt?
That's a Himalayan pink salt.
Himalayan pink salt. It looks
Yeah.
white to me though.
Camera doesn't make any justice for these kind of ingredients sometimes.
I'm talking about my eyes right now. My eyes are also not making justice or what?
It's because of too much sunlight.
Yeah, that could be it. If I'm covering it up, I can see a little pinkish hue in it.
Mm.
I need a lot of pepper, lot of pepper. Like Marqueens say, if it's not spicy, I'm not going to eat it. If it's not peppery, I'm not going to eat it. I even wore a pepper color t-shirt. Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. That's made by me.
But
So,
picked out by Chef Ajay.
yeah, sunny side up made by me. It's all ready to be eaten by me. Mm.
Yeah, loving it, huh?
Mm.
Chalo, time for tomatoes.
Too good, too good. Now, is there yolk on my beard?
Slightly.
Mm. Sorry about that.
And there he goes to wash his hands off. And his beard too.
And the coffee is ready. So that is all about our breakfast by the lake. We are now packing everything back into that styrofoam box. Ajay is doing that. We are going to do some farm cooking today and we'll have to go and get some ingredients for that. I'm making a separate video about the lunch at the farm. I'll be publishing that on Friday. So do subscribe, stay tuned, give this video a like if you loved it, and leave a comment and let us know what do you think about this video and if you would like to see more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, have fun and stay safe. Bye bye.